Hey everybody, mid-year last year I built a new shop. Y'all saw Bob build that. And I've promised a shop tour, and one's coming here probably in March. But today what I'm going to do is show you I've picked up 4 new tools for my new shop. Well, two of them are used, but I want to show you those. I've really enjoyed those. And kind of ask for you guys' help. I've been absent from YouTube more than I like. I really enjoy making the videos, and I enjoy interacting with everybody. Truth of the matter is, I'm having some creativity issues. You need to tell me what it is you guys and gals like to see. Historically, pin videos are the most viewed, but you can only make so many pin videos. I mean, I make a lot of pins. Do you want to see the blanks that I make, even though some of the techniques are repetitive? I'm going to be doing some other woodworking projects. Of course, we'll get those as well. But give me a comment below as to what kind of videos you would like to see from a woodworking standpoint. I'm going to do some casting here soon. We'll show those. And what kind of pin making videos? Do you want a review of pin kits? How to assemble certain pin kits? I know I've picked up a lot of new subscribers from new turners. If you've got something you want to see, let me know. But leave me some comments down below. Send me some emails. My email will be will be in the description below, plus it'll be here across the screen as well. Would love to hear from you. Now, what I'm going to do for this rest of this short little video, I'm just going to show you my 4 new tools that I've got in my shop. Well, they're new to me, and they have already made my job so much easier, the woodworking so much easier. And one of them especially, I'm looking for ways to be creative with that. You guys can share that with me if you have some ideas. Now, let's look at the tools. Well, first of all, I picked up this Delta 6-inch joiner, and it has just made things so much easier to be able to square stock up properly, and really have enjoyed that. Now, also, some of you guys that may have joiners, you know this guard is on a spring, and the spring is on a post down in here. And I did get this used, and it was this way when I bought it, but notice it doesn't close back up. Doesn't close back up. If you guys know how to, I've tried to take this apart and reset that spring, but it's still not right. I'm going to have to find a way to attach an external spring some way. If any of you guys have got any experience with this, let me know. I also picked up a DeWalt 13-inch planer. Many of you guys already have these. I've always had just a little 12-inch Ryobi cheap one from Lowe's, which was noisy and a pain actually. But this thing is a wonderful piece of equipment. If you ever need a planer, if you can't go, a big commercial job, this is a good solution. The DeWalt 13-inch planer. Love it. And this next one is definitely the most expensive, and it's the most exciting actually. It's a Glowforge Laser. It's the Pro model, which has got a pass-through capability where I could do longer stocks. But I really enjoyed that. It's opened up some creativity. It's opened up some other avenues of woodworking sales. And if you've got any experience with lasers and have some ideas, share those with me as well. Well, I know I told you I had 4 new tools, but I'm going to add a 5th. This one is really amazing to me. This is a small air compressor from California Air Tools. If you've not heard about them, you should check them out. They are just ultra quiet. I want to show you a couple of things. First of all, I've got a decibel meter on my phone, and you can tell my speaking level right now, it's about 70, 72, 75. It just depends. There's quiet in the room, and then when I'm talking, it's around 70. I'm going to turn this compressor on and listen to how quiet it is. It's almost as quiet as my speaking voice. And that compressor is running. There, you saw it shut off. It will fill that tank up in less than 2 minutes. It's really an amazing piece of equipment. You know, the little pancake compressors is historically just noisy, and I don't have room to put my compressor outside yet. I don't have those accommodations. I'm going to work on that. But if you need a compressor in the shop and you can't stand the noise, especially if I'm trying to video, I could even video with this in the room if I had to, but love this thing. California Air Tools. Hey everybody, thanks for watching my little mini tour and showing off some of the new tools that I've got in my new shop. Again, I'll do a shop tour here in a couple of weeks, sometime in March. I appreciate all the support, especially all that time I was gone. But remember, leave me some comments in the description below of what kind of videos you'd like to see specifically or generically. If there's some certain kind of pen videos you want, casting videos you want, if it's within my capability, and then we'll accommodate. We appreciate it. We hope everybody has a great weekend and a great week, and until next time, you guys be safe.